Do you really think your infertility is due to an uncle, or due to your aunt, or due to a friend that hates you? Do you really think so? If you think so, please give us a comment below. Welcome to Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Welcome to our health channel. Thank you so much for joining us. May God bless you out there. If you are joining us for the very first time, we say may God bless you. You are Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Here we discuss health related issues every Mondays and Thursdays. On Mondays we discuss women's health issues and fertility, while on Thursdays we discuss other health issues. So if you are just coming here for the very first time, we say please continue to be with us. Don't leave us. You're going to enjoy every bit of our videos. While for those who have been here, please thank you so much. Continue to be with us as we ride on this journey together. For all the new persons, please, if you're watching this video, watching us for the very first time, please do us a favor. Click that red subscribe button and hit notification. Thank you so much. We started an episode called Factors Affecting Fertility. Now, this is a discussion that has to do with those factors that will affect your fertility. So if you have been having difficulties conceiving, these are the factors that are going to affect your fertility. By the time you are through with these factors, then you can then put your blame on something else, maybe spiritual or whatsoever. But make sure that you get these factors right. Once the factors are on your side and you can't still conceive for at least a year, then you can lay your blame on some other person. So before we start, please, I want to say that for COVID-19, please make sure you are safe out there. Why? The good news for women and bad news for men is that more women are surviving COVID-19 than men. The reason is that one of the reasons, actually there are many reasons scientists have given. One of the reasons is that women have 2 X chromosomes, men just 1. And the X chromosome actually helps in immunity. Most of the genes in X chromosomes are there for immunity as compared to the Y chromosomes. So just imagine that we have 500 genes only for immunity and the X chromosomes, and women have 2, while men have just 1. Then you understand the arithmetic. So bravo for the women. Why everyone, please stay safe. Make sure you respect WHO standard of reducing this deadly disease. Thank you so much. Last week we started with factors affecting fertility. We gave an introduction where we talk about the 5 major factors. I will just run through them, which are timing, age, weight, health and medicals, lifestyle, health and medicals. So we have timing, age, weight, lifestyle, health and medicals. Those are the 5 major factors that affects fertility. So if you were trying to conceive and it's not going, make sure you check all of these factors. Don't just start saying that it could be somebody that have done all the tests. Make sure you check all of these factors, because doing all the tests, many people used to tell us that no, I've done everything possible and I cannot get pregnant. You have done all the tests. The tests you're talking about are under health and medical, just one of the factors. So time is the very first factor. How does timing affect fertility? For those who have not watched our video on the menstrual cycle part 3, where you have to get to know your ovulation, and part 4 where you get to know your fertile window, please get there and understand. Timing has to do with the right time of having sex, and the right time to have sex for intercourse, for pregnancy to occur, is during your fertile window and the best is around the period of ovulation. For those who have watched the video on menstrual cycle, let us take for example, you are a 30-day cycle. Your ovulation will occur on day 16. How do I know day 16? So it is 30 minus 14. You get 16. So your ovulation occur on day 16. Your fertile window begins from day 12 right to day 18. How did I know that it is 12? To know your fertile window, you take 4 days before ovulation and 2 days after ovulation. You're going to have a 7 days period. So your fertile window begins from day 12 right up to day 18th. So from the 12th to the 18th will be your fertile window. If you don't know that that is your fertile window, instead of having sex between day 12 and day 18, maybe you have sex on day 20, maybe you have on day 25, or maybe you have sex on day 10th, then you must have been wasting your time. That is where timing has its place. You don't joke with timing when it comes to that. So by having sex during this 12th to the 18th, it gives you the best possible chance, and the maximum will be the days around day 16, meaning day 14, day 15, day 16, and probably day 17 itself. So those are the best possible days that you can have sex and you become pregnant. So if you've been trying and without knowing your menstrual cycle, knowing this exact date, then it will be practically difficult for you. So what I would advise is that concerning timing is to know your menstrual cycle. You need to just know your menstrual cycle. Please get to those videos about the menstrual cycle part 2, part 3, and part 4. Please get there and understand your menstrual cycle very well. Once you understand, you come to timing, you'll be excellent. And if you have facing difficulties, please get ovulation test kit. It's going to help you for timing, because ovulation test kit will tell you when you are about ovulate. So when you do it, it's going to tell you, oh, I'm going to ovulate tomorrow or the day after. So it will help you to time when to have sex. So that will be one of the ways that you can improve your chances when it comes to timing. So get an ovulation test kit. It's going to help you much more better. And make sure you also monitor those other signs of ovulation, because timing has to do with ovulation and the days around ovulation, which is your fertile window for you to get pregnant. So that was a bit we'll get for you for concerning timing. Thank you so much. Say may God bless you. Like I say, please keep safe out there. Make sure you respect WHO standard. Please, you need to be safe. Please, you all need to be safe out there. Thank you so much. For those who have just watched us for the very first time, please do us a favor. We say you click that red subscribe button and hit notification. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Please keep safe out.